You gonna sit down and just talk on the phone for a little bit? Haley, who's there? Is it Elmo? Oh, is it for Mama? Hello? Yes, Haley's right here. 1 second.
How's that?
Who's on the phone, honey? Do you want to call Dada? Call Dada. Say hello. Hola. No more phone? You gonna get your other glasses? Those match your outfit too. Where's your other glasses? You have 2 pairs. 1, 2. That's good. Do you want any more banana? Should we let Panky in? It's a little chilly to go out, honey. Say, come on in, Panky. Hi, Kitty Cat. Uh-oh, Panky, she's coming to get you. You going to get Pank? Do not pull his tail. See what happens? He runs away. He runs away. See what happens? Uh-oh. No, Panky's not in there. I don't know where he went. I think he came in the bedroom. Say, Panky, Kitty Cat. Where are you? Where are you, Kitty Cat? Where are you, Kitty Cat? Oh, there he is. I thought he went in the bedroom. Be gentle. Appa? You can do it. You know how to get up. Good girl. Oh, you found baby doll. Kisses. Uh-oh, there's a lot on this couch that we have to navigate around. Let's move these. Oh, kisses for baby. Is this money? It's called money. You want more? Say more, please. How do you say please?
Please.
Good job.
Please.
More money, please. So you'll be saying to Daddy in about 10 years. You gonna change the channel? You want a different music station on? Oh, Haley, careful with Pank. Panky's on the run. I took everything off of the sofa table. Kitty Cat. Haley, be careful. Can you scoot? Are you chasing Panky? Where'd he go? He's under the cabinet. Panky, she's coming to find you. He's in the kitchen now. Where'd he go? Where's Panky? I think he's over here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, where did he go?
Da. Uh-oh. Da. Da.
Think he's back in the bathroom? Let's check in the tub. No, no Panky there. Where else could he be? Where else could Panky be? I think he's hiding. You were chasing him too much. Uh-oh. Where's your bow?
Ah.
Oh, you want Mama to pick it up? No, you're closer. You pick it up. Thank you.
No. Uh-oh.
All right. Tell the camera bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.